Vegas really is a fish. And Ninja, you talk about the Jamaican people. You know, ever kill Jamaican people, you know?
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless you, love and greatness, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, line and line, and speak up on yourself. And one of the only love and blessings, you know, we say give thanks to life. Yeah, man. Life is the greatest to cherish each moment. That's what I say. I don't know all the blessings. Happy festive season when it forward. Merry Christmas to who celebrate it and who don't. As I say, more life and prosperity. Yeah, man. You know, so we kick off the show as usual, as always. Yes, so you don't know. First, want to give a shout out. Happy birthday to me. I don't know. Yes, man. Another year pandemic, you know. Give thanks to life. And some day for can keep you guys entertained and informed. You get to me say on the vlogging. We're going in and around the world. Saying? Yes, man, so coming up in this episode, I don't know, perhaps Kartel in a prison clean, like I always say, live the life, you know what I mean? Yes, and I don't know his wife, soon to be wife, you know what I mean? Tattoo him name on her skin and they make a post and thing, and you know, Shorty retaliate, you get to me and say, and we also have a brother speak out in defense of Shabba ranks. Yes, where he's addressing Mr. Vegas and Ninjaman, the Dan Gargan. So, you know the routine? I'm asking you all kindly, please, can you go and check this song out and let me know what you think? You know what I mean? Listen to the song from the beginning to the end. Very powerful, positive song, you know what I mean? Yes. So you don't know, I'm going to look a snippet at it. That's what I say? Yeah, man.
Violence increase. The youths them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. Every day someone lying dead on the tough concrete.
So that song is called Me a Pray. But with no delay, let's kick off the show right away. Yeah, man, Vibes Kartel have a song named It Hard. Now I'm going to review that video there. See, I was listening to the song on his page, you know what I mean, and I broke up on some picture of him inside of his prison. You get to me and say so, I just going to show you. You see, it's a good look, the artist look clean and him look contented, you know. And thing, I don't know if no man no one dead so still, but I don't know at least he must show say, yo, I'm strong, you know what I mean? So watch them little clippings here from Adija, the teacher. Yeah, man, and also the picture when post with his wife to be. I don't know, she tattooed his name on her shoulder, or should I say neck. But yeah, man, watch what I go on. Yeah, man, so that's the teacher, and I'm Clarks, you know what I mean? Brand new Clarks for feet and straight jeans, as I say, clean like a whistle. But now the picture here, man, I'm Nike here, as I say. And now the man clean. I'm Jordan trainers, Jordan t-shirt, and you know what I mean? Yeah. And that is his wife now, wife to be with his name on his skin, shoulder. So let me zoom in further and make you see what I got. Yes, so as you can see, that's Vibes Kartel, the teacher, world pass. You see my name on her skin, is it? Yeah, and Adija Azim Palmer. So Kartel made a post and say, yo, property of Adija Azim Palmer. And you can see him at her with 2 love art at Simons Turk. Zane, so after I made that post, you know, Shorty made back a post. Because all of this, you don't know, people are question say, maybe the teacher and Shorty break up, you know what I mean? They broke up and thing, you know. Must be a reason why, you know, Kartel have this lady up front now, which is his wife to be, fiance, and etc. You see me? So, you have to remember, say, Shorty has feelings as well, Zine. So, Shorty made a post, yeah, and at this way she posts,
You can't spite a woman who don't care about you. You can't spite a woman who don't have feelings for you. Some other man who don't feel like you can hype up with a new girlfriend, pan the baby mother, pan the ex, and feel like she care. Know this, she keep a mental thing in her mind for you. To she, you not exist. Once a woman clock out, the woman not business with you no more. Some other man feel like someone can show off on the ex. Know this, the woman them look upon like a big clown, because them laugh after you. Because you can't hurt somebody when I have no feelings for you. You can't hurt nobody when I care about you. Not for no man if you know that. Grow up.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, I had a picture of the Shabba post with the brother we attack. You see me? After Kartel posted the picture of his fiancée with his name tattooed on her skin, so Shabba post that. And when the brother say a factual still, you cannot hurt somebody who does not love you anymore, has any affection or care, zero. You know what I mean? So there's nothing you can do to hurt them. Whether you have a new girlfriend or a new boyfriend or whatever. from the person they say you hate that, you don't think you can do it to hurt them. See me, and that's basically what Sharp Boss is saying. She never said nothing, she just make that post with her brother there. You see me, another thing I say, you see it. But let me know what you think my viewers and subscribers, because nobody never knows a Sharp Boss and Kartel that split up, you see it. Yes man, but you don't know, big up Kartel, big up Sharp Boss. And people, boy, when you check out Sharp Boss product, them a shot, you know. Yeah man, clean skin. See my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, so moving on now, my brother, you know, Ninjaman do a video in a prison, I address Shabba ranks, and Mr. Vegas did address Shabba ranks as well, and you know what I mean, and yes, so the brother, you know, is in defense of Shabba ranks, Zine, and just hear what him have to say, then you can leave or no have to say in the comment section, see? Yeah.
Brother, if you love sweet, so Mr. Vegas and Ninja, you know the man I call Bounty name? Vegas talk about all if a man talk vent about the over thing them a talk about in the song, and the pillow them a take and them thing. The why you not think about him at all? Mr. Vegas really is a fish. And Ninja, you talk about the Jamaican people. You know ever kill Jamaican people, you know? The local man where the taxi man, Mr. Ziggy, where I run the taxi. You see what I say? Where make him don't make me start. Ninja, behave yourself. He's a crackhead brother. You feel me? You shame Jamaica. You know build Jamaica. Nobody no look up to you, brother. Clown them, clown you. You're Jamaica clown, brother. You feel me? Behave yourself, man. Remember 7 times Bounty that go on them thing, Vice Kartel, it violate him, you know. Bounty get film term for all, how much years him a hold long he made, you know. And Bounty talk about the toilet paper. When Kartel talk about the toilet paper, you know. You see me? I understand and him still show Bounty love. I understand everything when you jump up and talk. Not because you see who Shabba help when you feel like Shabba not help nobody. An artist alone who him boss. Eh? Artist alone can't get boss. Come to the get you them when him help with some money for go get some subject and thing. And everything good for you, good for talk. If you now look some views and something, okay. Should have called the thing, nobody talk about people don't know for Shabba, brother. You see me I say? You if you know this, brother. You see me? And that's why the man stay. The reason why Bounty there Jamaica, you see Sizzler, now burn up no more fish. The whole of them want to come go and land of opportunity. The whole of them come here and fuck up on themselves and can't come back. You don't blame Shabba. The man have him family here, him live here. What are you guys talking about? Eh? Him live here. And that you want to come down to Jamaica, the man down to Jamaica and come plot up the man and tie up the man in a gun shooting and this and that. The man is child from them thing there. A compound, the man telling her the devil playground. You think a joke thing? Eh? You if you know yourself, man, Mr. Ninja and dirty, them name fish gas. Kind of Vegas is a fish, brother. Watch your talk, brother, cause just some money and likes and them thing they wanna come pre the wrong man. You don't want to jump on Bounty because Bounty done you. So you want Shabba to take on Bounty and I try to talk about a Bounty the man at all. Move from Mr. Vegas. And who the Ninjaman? Who give Ninja phone? Don't not take by the phone from Ninja when they give me in a jail, brother. For do foolish, brother. Take by the phone from Ninjaman, man.
Yes, my people, I don't know the brother if he's a family member or a loyal fan or, you know, around Shabba ranks, but all I know, yeah man, Shabba ranks has his full support and the man has different Shabba ranks things, sing. So basically, I say, boy, Shabba never call the name, but man, well, Vegas quick to say, a Bounty him attack and then I try to set up Bounty and Shabba and this and that and Ninjaman and, well, me, everybody has a Bounty him attack because, you know, Shabba says some top artists are going on and that. About the youth them and them thing then me said to myself say Bounty cause everybody are gonna say Bounty matter cause Bounty are one of the only person who are go around and attack on stage show on big platforms, you see me? Yeah, so I'm a different Shabba ranks still, you see it? I must say boy Shabba ranks take himself on Jamaica cause you know devils play ground and you know what I mean, them want him don't want to come back there and set him up and all sort of stuff, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think in the comment section still. You see it? Yeah, man, but you don't know me. I say, big up Mr. Vegas, big up Ninjaman, big up the brother where I speak, big up Shabba ranks. I love to see a unity in a dancehall. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you guys think of this guy, what he's saying. You know what I mean? Yes. So you don't know a lion foot, big up on yourself. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Blessed love and respect. White Shadow Graphics is the best. Yeah, I am endorsing White Shadow Graphics. I wonder if you could fix my nose, but kind of off white still.
Of course him can do. Virgin is a graphic designer.
Okay. Bless up, White Shadow Graphics.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.